Before we fly into today's episode, we want to say how grateful we are that we were able to explore this country before it closed its borders in order to protect its citizens from the spread of the coronavirus. At the time of making this video, El Salvador still had yet to report any cases. I feel kind of silly because I had no idea what cigars are made out of, but he's literally just rolling leaves from the tobacco tree together, and that's what a cigar is. Just tightly rolled tobacco tree leaves.
Just like they do in Cuba. Cuban rolled cigars.
I had no idea.
But here in Costa Rica.
This smells really good.
That's all chocolate.
I'm really tempted to like lick it.
I dare you to stick your tongue in there.
No, I can't. I just can't.
Well guys, we're about to hop on a flight. We found ourselves at the Costa Rica airport today. We're excited to take you guys on this adventure. So get ready, pack your bags.
We love you guys. Let's go.
You ready to go?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
You like my socks and sandals?
Socks and sandals.
I have blisters on my feet, that's why.
That's all right, babes.
Time for El Salvador. This is someplace I've been wanting to go for such a long time.
Although we have been told this is a place that has third highest per capita.
It has the second highest.
We've been told by a lot of people don't come to El Salvador because it has the second highest murders per capita.
In the world.
In the world. But they've been doing a whole new reform and there's a new president elected and things are really changing there and we're super excited to go with our friends here.
We know that Salva is going to do an incredible job.
For those of you who don't know, Salva is a local tour guide for Tunco life, which specializes in showing foreigners the best of what his beautiful country has to offer. Buenas. Buenas.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Postcard and Room for Romantic Adamas in El Salvador.
We're here!
We made it!
We made it!
I can't believe we get to spend a whole 8 nights here.
Paradise!
Ah, this is so exciting.
Paradiso!
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Man. Wow.
Welcome to our house!
Brittany loves our new home. Babe, we get a place on the water tonight.
We have a moat.
We have a moat.
And we have islands of palm trees. Look at that. So
Look at that. They said they fill this up with fresh water from the river.
Every 3 days.
And there's some giant fish in here. You want to show us around?
Our bed is so romantic.
Ooh.
It has little magnetic mosquito netting.
Look at this place.
See how beautiful the ceiling is? Just palm fronds. Amazing. But what I love most.
Look at the detail here, babes. Wow.
I know, and the cute little curtains.
Yeah, they're probably handmade. What do you love most of here?
The shower. Lights. All right.
Action. Little bathroom.
This, look at this.
You love outdoor showers, so do I.
Yeah, who needs an indoor shower when you can look at something like this?
Be under the palms. I'll follow you. Take me to our porch.
Good morning, everyone. Before we continue on with this episode, we wanted to say a huge thank you to our friends, Jordan and Kaylee, for inviting us on their first ever retreat. We didn't expect to be able to join them on this, but when they invited us, as a sweet thank you for all of the work that but I should really be saying Drew, has been doing up on the land, we knew we just had to experience a brand new country with them. So along with living in Panama for the past 2 months, exploring Costa Rica last week, and El Salvador now, we've been using this as an opportunity to really learn more and more about what Drew and I are looking for in a place to call home. So now we know we tend to do extremely well in warm weather, places where there are lots of adventures to be had, a beach nearby, and a community that's looking to grow and make a positive difference in the world. And well, being in El Salvador so far, we love what we've seen, but there's a whole lot more to experience. And today we are taking you guys, or actually Jordan and Kaylee are taking us all somewhere very special. So let's go.
And the one on the left is Izalco volcano. That is the youngest volcano that we have in El Salvador, okay? I'm gonna give you here quick instructions about the hike. So once we get there, we start hiking right away.
We're here, babes.
Oh, we're here! Oh, my legs.
That's a smart way to pop it
Stretching
back
the
over.
legs.
Get him pumped. High knee for me.
Thank you for driving.
It's an active volcano. Once we get to the top, we're going to be able to see a beautiful lagoon, green lagoon. And the original name is Lamatepec. It's written in Nahuatl and it means the father of the hill or the king of the hill.
Salva, what kind of animals are along this trail should we look out for?
Elephants, tigers, and stuff like that. Be careful. Just kidding.
Oh, we're making our way up to the top of the volcano right now. And I was just thinking and admiring all the beauty around us, but it's so cool to go and be in a country where so many people think that it's extremely dangerous. And especially looking at the news and what's happened here over the years, yes, it was, but it's going through a whole renovation. They're building so much more, adding on to the airport, fixing the roads, improving water systems. And I just want to say how grateful I am to be here, breathing in this fresh jungle air and having a great time.
Pasa silvestre.
What's it taste like?
It's a little bitter and dry, but I'm still eating them.
Look how blue our tongues are. Stick your tongue out, man.
Oh man, I can like taste it in my nose.
What's going on? Why does it stink?
Sulfur, it smells like eggs. But it's amazing.
Wow.
it's like way too hot to swim in. It'll boil you, and it smells like sulfur, but it looks like mint ice cream. And amazing other crater lake on the other. This is your moment. Take in the lake.
Woo! Listen to that echo.
Wow. We've hiked a lot of mountains, volcanoes in our life, but I've never seen a lake this color before.
It stinks a little bit,
Yeah, me
but
too.
I sure like the colors. And it couldn't be a nicer day up here. We got sun, it's not very windy, and it's very peaceful.
And the group did an incredible job. We had all different fitness levels up here, and everyone made it to the top. And I think we're all ready for an epic meal tonight.
I think so.
Wait till you guys see what we have in store. Guess what time it is?
What time?
Pupusa time! Pupusa!
Let's go.
Pupusa night, baby!
Yeah.
It's time! Pupusa night!
Papusa night! Papusa night! Papusa!
Pupusa!
Papusa night! Look at all these lovely things.
Chicharrón y queso.
Perfecto.
They said to start out with 2 or 3 and go from there. This
Normally in
is
a
made of
pupusa,
tomatoes,
spicy
sesame
and spicy.
seeds,
Gotcha. So that
pureed.
one's spicy up there. And
Does it look like a masterpiece?
It's so delicious.
Oh yeah. Salva showed us how to do it. Pick it up kind of like a crepe, and then you put some of the cabbage on it. Pupusa. During our week-long stay in El Salvador, we woke up for nearly every sunrise. And yes, Drew did too.
Buenos dias, you beautiful souls. Morning.
Or you can bring your arms over to your side and just let your shoulders kind of just try to feel every muscle that's working for us. Left arm, you can either extend it straight out. Sometimes that makes it feel a little bit more stable.
This is so nice.
Oh, you're so sweet.
I read it.
You crushed it.
Thanks, homie.
Good work.
Thanks, homie.
Brittany, how do you feel?
Oh, so zened out.
You
That
look
was
very
great.
zened out.
Namaste, friends.
This morning has been really, really great. We got some yoga and some surfing, watched the sunrise. Just
Yes.
time together. It's only the beginning of the week.
And we want you guys to know that by the time that you watch this episode, our time in Central America will be coming to an end. We've had a very exciting opportunity come our way, which we're not going to reveal just yet, so
Just
get
yet.
excited.
Hang in there.
Yeah, but we have a couple more episodes in Panama to share with you guys before that happens. But be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and tap that bell so you get notified of our new episodes
And
every
smash that
Thursday.
like.
We love you all, and we appreciate you for joining us.
Thanks for coming along to El Salvador.
See you next week.